Hi, welcome to SQA Higher Maths, the vectors section. Today we're going to look at unit vectors. So any vector with a magnitude of 1 is called a unit vector. So that is what a unit vector is just a vector with a magnitude of 1. So for example here we'll have u, calculate the magnitude, it has a magnitude of 1 unit, therefore u is a unit vector. Let's have a look at calculating how we calculate a unit vector. So given any vector, we would find the magnitude and divide that vector that we originally started with by the magnitude. So if a vector has a magnitude of 5, for example, then a unit vector would be 1/5 of that original vector. Let's have a look at an example, easier to explain with an example. So calculate the unit vector in the direction of u, which is 5, -12. So let's draw u first of all. So 5 to the right, 12 down. So there is u. U has a magnitude of 13. We want to calculate the unit vector in this direction. So we know that if we just use 5, -12, that will have a length of 13, a magnitude of 13. So if I draw the unit vector parallel to that, well, here it is. It will have a length of 1. This vector was originally a length of 13. So this vector will be 1/13 of the size of the original vector u. Okay, because this has a magnitude of 13, which we calculated just using our National 5 skills, the unit vector in that direction will have a magnitude of 1/13 of 5, -12. Okay, so we can expand that bracket if we want to, but leaving it in this format would be totally okay. So what have we done there? We've found the magnitude, and we've done 1 over the magnitude multiplied by the original vector. And that's all we do. We just need to remember to do it that way. It's just something we don't really cover very often. We might forget it, but we can always come back and watch a video again or ask in class if we're in class. So a second example, calculate the unit vector in the direction of p. So again, find the magnitude of p. Remember guys, always put your negative numbers in a bracket when we're going to square them. So it'll be √14. So the unit vector in the direction of p would be 1 over √14 multiplied by 1, 2, -3. Again, we can multiply that if we want to, but there's no need to, and just leave it in that format. And that is how to find a unit vector.